your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vidparak, your Indian consumer, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to maintain the paint job. Like, you have seen my bike and it's 8-year-old now, and the paint job seems really nice on it. So guys, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips which will help you ensure that the paint job on your vehicle stays in mint condition. So the first thing that you have to do is you don't have to wash your vehicle regularly. I'm specifically talking about your motorcycles. You don't have to wash them regularly. Now I know many people will disagree with this point, but trust me, I don't wash my vehicle regularly. In fact, you have to dust it every day. So for dusting, you can use something like this. I use this, and you can also use this thing. You can easily get these things from Amazon. I'll provide the links if I find these products online. I'll definitely provide all the links below in the description like always. So well, you just have to dust your vehicle, very important thing. As far as washing goes, I'll recommend you to wash it once in a week. That's it, just once in a week, and wash with shampoo once a month. Point number 2 is very simple and straight. You need to park your motorcycle in shade. You cannot let direct sunlight spoil the paint job on your vehicle, can you? So yeah, parking in shade is really important. Now guys, waxing again is an important thing. You'll ask me why. Because wax acts like a medium between the paint and the external elements. So it will safeguard your paint and increase the life of your paint. This is the polish that I use. It is by Wax Pol. You'll get this bottle for around 100 rupees. If I get it online, I'll provide the link below in the description, but you can try out offline stores as well. There are many polishes available out there in the market, but this is what I prefer using. So yeah, you need to wax your bike, guys. Applying wax is not all that difficult. I'm sure you must have seen Karate Kid, right? Wax on, wax off. Fourth point, guys, is again very important. You need to take care of the chipped parts. The portions of paint which have been chipped off and which need to be maintained have to be taken care of. You need to paint them back because that portion can get rusted. So yeah, you need to take care of the chipped parts to avoid rusting. Remember, rust is a paint killer. So yeah, you need to take care of the rust. You need to do Teflon coating at least once in a year. Teflon coating, guys, is again not all that expensive. It will cost you some 300 rupees. You need to do that at least once in a year. If you do all these 5 things, you will maintain your bike like Karu. Now, what is Karu? You don't know that? You need to watch my vlogs. If you haven't watched them yet, I'll provide them in the I button. So those were my 5 recommendations. These are the 5 things that I have practiced over the span of 8 years, and I've successfully kept the paint job on my bike in a mint condition. If you have liked this video, if you think you have any other suggestions, do mention in the comment section below. If you feel this information was helpful, do give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I think it's high time. Do subscribe to my channel and be a part of the Indian consumer family. Well, for now, this was Prasad Vidparak, your Indian consumer, signing off. You know why? Because I need to get some grocery. See you guys later. Bye-bye.